Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to source for in-depth, honest evaluations of trending tech accessories. If you're dealing with overheating laptops, especially during long gaming or work sessions, then stick around. Because today we're covering what might just be the best laptop cooling fan overheating solution available right now, the Coolertek Laptop Cooling Pad, Model N2. Let's dive into why this cooling pad stands out. The Coolertek N2 combines simplicity, power, and convenience. Built from durable ABS plastic, it's solid enough to hold laptops ranging from 11 to 17 inches without flexing. Whether you're using a MacBook Air, a chunky gaming laptop, or a Lenovo for everyday tasks, this pad offers a stable and comfortable platform. At its core, this device features two large 160mm fans that run silently while delivering impressive airflow. The blue LED lights give it a sleek look, but they're not just aesthetic, they also help visualize the cooling status. When they're on, you know your system is actively staying cool. And despite the powerful cooling performance, these fans operate quietly, creating a distraction-free environment. Whether you're gaming, editing, or just browsing, one thing we really appreciate is the plug-and-play functionality. You simply plug it into a USB port, and it starts working instantly, no drivers, no installation, just instant cooling. Even better, Coolertek includes dual USB 2.0 ports. That means you won't lose a port by using this cooler. You actually get an extra one, which is perfect for connecting peripherals like a mouse or flash drive. Now let's talk ergonomics. The pad features two adjustable height settings so you can raise your screen for better posture and viewing angles. Whether you're watching a movie or working long hours, you'll be able to reduce neck strain and improve your overall comfort. Plus, the non-slip baffle at the bottom keeps your laptop securely in place, even at a steeper angle. In terms of size and portability, it measures approximately 15 inches by 11 inches and weighs about 712 grams. So while it's large enough for wide laptops, it's still light enough to carry in your backpack. Ideal for students, digital nomads, and remote workers alike. If you've ever dealt with throttling issues or noisy laptop fans ramping up during intense tasks, this cooling pad can make a noticeable difference. It prevents heat buildup, ensuring your laptop maintains consistent performance without heating up your lap or desk surface. In summary, the Coolertek Laptop Cooling Pad is affordable, effective, and incredibly easy to use. It's the kind of accessory that quietly improves your laptop experience without demanding your attention. For anyone facing thermal issues or just wanting to extend the lifespan of their device, this might be the smartest under $30 investment you can make. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what cooling solution you're using. This is Product Critique. See you in the next one.